Hey there, welcome to another painting adventure. This one is just down the road from my place. It's One Tree Point, and I did come down here today to paint a tree in a field, which was not this one, but I had a look around for other painting subjects and found this and was just taken by it immediately. Grass, you'll be trying to paint a dark into a light, and that'll create a muddying of the colours. So planning ahead like that, putting all your darks in first, gives you a much cleaner colour range in your painting. And a bit more of that detail. Now I'm going to hit this thin forward branch with just the finest little line of light that brings it forward of the trunk. And a little bit of white. Just creating a little bit of texture and keeping that paint quite thick. Don't want to overdo the detail though in the foreground. So there you go, a nice little painting adventure. Hope you learned something there, or at the very least are inspired to paint. And hope you're looking forward to the next painting adventure, because I sure know that I am. I'll see you then.